Is it safe to use your phone during a thunderstorm? We will explore the science of lightning and mobile safety in this video. The answer is yes, but with one condition. Wireless phones are safe, but plugged-in phones are dangerous. It's a myth that phones attract lightning. Radio waves do not conduct electricity, and cell phones contain very little metal. Lightning follows the path of least resistance to the ground, often traveling through wires, pipes, and metal frameworks in your home. The wired risk is real. When lightning strikes the grid, millions of volts can travel through the electrical system and into your hands via a charging cable. Corded landlines are dangerous because they create a physical bridge for electricity. Mobile phones, on the other hand, provide electrical isolation. Remember that water and metal conduct electricity. Avoid showering, washing dishes, or doing laundry during a thunderstorm. Be aware of the hidden metal in your walls. Concrete contains metal rebar, so do not lean on concrete walls or lie on concrete floors during a storm. While phones don't attract lightning outdoors, filming a storm can distract you and delay your escape to shelter. Prioritize your safety. Seek safe shelters like enclosed buildings or metal-topped cars, which utilize the Faraday cage effect. Avoid tents and trees, as they offer no protection. Here is a quick thunderstorm checklist. Remember that wireless phones and unplugged laptops are safe, but anything wired to the grid poses a danger. The human body does not store electricity after a strike. It is perfectly safe to touch and help a lightning strike victim. If someone is struck, immediately call emergency services, move to safety, and if necessary, perform CPR. To save your technology, unplug all devices from the wall and back up your important data to the cloud before a storm hits. Awareness is safety. If your phone is wireless, it is safe. If it is plugged in, leave it alone until the storm passes.